All right, drone footage here, 272 Ivy Lane in Glen Mills, and take that in. So you can see a lot from the drone footage. You do have that shed to the left and a very, very private backyard. So that is the benefit with the woods behind there. And in general, just a great pocket of Glen Mills. So taking those snow shots, see what it looks like. We're gonna zoom up a little bit here and then just show you just a taste of the neighborhood. But before we get in the house, let me tell you, a lot of potential there. So really a big footprint and just a lot of space to work with. So let's fly in here, see how big that roof is. It's just peeking out from the snow there. Private little nook in the backyard. And yep, flying right to the front door, and then we'll get you inside. All right, 272 Ivy Lane here, presented by Berkshire. Let's head on up. I believe Brian is the listing agent. So up we go. Beautiful house. Backyard. And great for sledding. You clear some of those trees, especially with this snow out here. So I'll tell you what, that might have been, well, definitely based on what's laid out there, 2-car garage before. So they closed it off. We'll see it on the inside. And let's get you in. Walkway up to here is very nice. Pavers. A nice little hill in the front to go down. Good for learning snowboarding. And taking the porch. Wonder if those blinds stay. They're nice. And in we go. All right, in we go. Took the boots off. No need for those. All right, coat closet. Take this in there. Look at that. Inside of a piano. Hardman Pep Company, New York. Look at that. 1842. Cool. Sorry to derail you from the house, but that is cool. All right, big room. We have newer updated vinyl windows. We do have crown molding here. You may not see it so well, but this is a very, very large room indeed. So you can tell just by how big that area rug is. It's not quite a square, but that is a gigantic area rug. And then look at the border around it. It's a big room. Peek in the kitchen, but we're gonna head this way to the first floor bedroom, of which I don't know if there's hardwoods under there. I'm gonna lean towards no. But here's the primary bedroom. Hello, hello. They have Netflix on. So you can walk out the back. Big king bed. I love that open look. By the way, 1, 2, 3 LED lights up at the top, recessed. Nice setup. Oh yeah, closet and closet. Yeah, and you know what? This is split up. If you wanted to make one big one, probably could. All right, bathroom, double sink, one-piece toilet. We're going to town with those one-piece toilets. So like 4 today. Shower and then jetted tub. So a lot of LED lights in here. Then spin you around, show you. So really nice. All right, so bedroom number 1, first floor with a walkout. Meander about here. Here's the official dining room. Share rail, I like it. 2 sliders to go out to the back patio. Oh, look at that kitchen. Nice. Island and almost peninsula area. So plenty of storage open. Lots of recessed lights. Gas cooking. And dishwasher should be over here. Yeah, right next to the sink. A lot of cabinet space. A lot of granite too, actually. And then the subway tile have, they're definitely blue. So I don't know if that comes across. Ceiling fan as well. And there's your backyard. So a lot of privacy from that hill. There's a hammock up there too. So, all right. 2 bar stools to my left here. I'll back you out and show you the kitchen from this vantage point. There you are. I'll tell you what, let's back it all the way out. Let's go down first. So down we go. We have I was going to say wood burning fireplace, but that looks fake, so I'm going to say gas, and I'll double check. Get you in this corner here. This is definitely newer carpet. Big room, high ceilings. That's nice. Let me pull you down here. All right, just a little half bath. Actually, not that little. It's a good size. Just sold a house at 101 Gristmill, and for whatever reason, that fireplace reminds me of it. Big space. Look at this. Got around here, believe HVAC and laundry room. Yep. So there's your laundry. Electric panel already open. Don't have to open it. 200 amp service. I like it. You do have a sink. Let me spin you around here too. Good amount of area. Oh, nice. Water heater, gas fed, tucked away back there. Here is your air handler. Let's see, serviced by Oliver. Yeah, you want more details, I'll get you more. That's running right now. Let's see what's behind this door. Exterior door? Yeah, into the garage. All right, so this is the one-car garage. And remember, they built that wall there and reclaimed that space for a room. So let's see it. Yep, this was another garage bag. So they just finished it. Wood floors. All right, cool. I mean, great for an office. And remember, this downstairs with that bathroom, it's only a half bathroom. You want to make a modified in-law suite, I think you could do it down here. All right, so good space. I'm not going to count it as a bedroom in my official count, but we do have one there. And let's head on up. All right, so we're at 1. Whole closet. Oh, wow. That's almost big enough to sneak in a stackable laundry if you wanted to do it. And these floors seem heated, where there's a vent blowing on them, but they are definitely warm. So updated there. Oh, nice. That pops. Yep. Nice, newer and clean. Good bathroom. I'll back you up. All right. Then 1, 2, 3. So it's a 4-bedroom. Ooh, sorry. I'm looking over here. Check this out. Adjoining bedrooms. So you can close that off if you really need it to be completely private. But we went from that bedroom into this one. So bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and bedroom 4, which quite honestly could be 2 bedrooms. Yeah, it's split up with different sections. Oh yeah, I mean, you could turn this into a 5th bedroom, or this is the better side. It has the bathroom. Look at this. Talk about space. Toilet's in a different zip code. With that stand-up shower. Look at this. It's pretty grand. All right. Cool. No, works as is. My mind's just spinning thinking what else could we do with it if you wanted to. Private little balcony here, taking in nature. Oh yeah, cool. Recessed lighting. Oh, this is a killer house. Fantastic. And let's see, yeah, that bathroom backs up to this one. So maybe something could be rearranged if you ever wanted to. I mean, the plumbing's there. All right, let's head on down. And that completes the inside tour. So I'll just spin around one more time. Bonus room, dining room, bedroom, kitchen, lower level, upper level. All right, I'll head on outside.